Haga arpulai tering mentau benai ke Sorkar jela kala khot ikajialang bat kinoyalam ke Sengbhalang beper. Haga bay day be kajing nawa jongki bat sngoi kajing ur ki Paidbah Halor ke Jingiapynbeit Pud bat kajela Assam. Hadian kajialang o menteri rang ba kajelau korat ke sangma ula ong ba ompat la bat kulari ay ya ke pementa Henry Iakren bat kajela Assam kerang ya chakman.
We have shown them the historical facts also. We've shown them the 2011 report, which was the basis on which the entire discussion happened. And we showed them that how the villages that have been mentioned by them was already in the 2011 map shown in Assam. And therefore, it was very difficult for us to change that map and that report that was submitted by government of Meghalaya in 2011 and include those villages that they had mentioned. And hence, it was a huge challenge, and we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there. They say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now. But of course, the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward. And in the meantime, we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified, all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns.
So are they still demanding to scrap the MOU?
That you to ask them. That is not something that
So
for me to answer.
how will the government ensure that these villages that they have pointed out are being
No, we can't
brought
ensure.
back?
No, we can't ensure or we can't assure anything. But as I said, that there are these areas, concerns, and as we said, these are discussions that are moving forward. The MOU has been signed, but as we move forward in our discussions, as we move forward in the second phase, we will try and talk and discuss with our counterparts and see how things can be moved forward. But there's no question of changing the MOU as such.
President ke KSU ba Lambok Star Marngar ulo ong bakapakong san ban pet hang ni kadai baki Paidbah ki nim si la ni ma ki jing hadien ganu garai ba ka Sorkar jala kashim namar kumbalong benta ki Paidbah kim hun satyai ke Jingiapynbeit hakawat ka baningkong bar ki dang dawasa ban wanra biang ki lai tali ki shnong ki bla lech ka jala Assam.
Hadin kan dikas fast phase kal ayat kuntu ni I kadon ka jingya bom hun ka bun ba kimi ikan nom katra kidon ikan hun ba dalam penkrep man ya sindi ka ando kadon ka jibom so hun kidon du Paidbah pan pau la jong jum pan pau handai habang ya kendu ka sngi persno ya kani hadin bingra ya moros ka tu bal snap ka jing sisa ingi I na kaliang ka Sorkar mata pan I kata ka jinglong juman ba nang nu ka simbat nu ka snap jenring siamba kani ka jing persang ya keban droyo to lan kam dai bedang sudiam ta arjar afuar pen pen I ka Sorkar menta ong balajian lu arjar kat boy kanu ka badet kanu ka balat ngatrai ka Sorkar kin sejawab ni nama ban jawab on behalf of government handai ka ai bangi kwa ban perso ka Sorkar menta singi ka long ba ni so tu ba Sorkar ong ka long ba ban ong ban ya kan spang ta ka review ta ka emo handai ngatrai ba ka Assam kadang hap India kamai khlea hap India ngatrai ka don ka lenti punu ban wa kilat ka lenti katangi I ka jing start kam Sorkar jika nongrem ka chungi kran ka long ba kam dai ban yu ban ne ban klet no jing jaw mat jing tu bari ba shong hai bo mangakran ya kata ka long dai manu balai suma tu jaka tu da khani san phau tu gisnam maki ba suma kndo sia tu jaka puta la kalong pe hap ke himan bi la pisnong na kira to konta ter ke ka ko karan ta ga Sorkar ngi I jing sta no Sorkar rai kanong rem ngi yang kalong ba ngin ye teng ye ke ban pe binia an ka kam bat ngi Sorkar kan thau bi lat kan ti bat ka ju ko por ni la kren ka ba sai ru bat Sorkar mta ban ong ba menta ka pan kre e kas kan fis ni ong ba haswa ban sim ye ko no ka rai khadu ne ban ong ban ye sain ka emo kadi ban sim ya consideration ban take on board jiki Paidbah sok snong tu jaka kem dai ban ya ang skmat ba kas nang mi bon ki ken rum kata hot ni so tho ba kam lei ka basuk kani jing penboi put ben sa ni so tho ka Assam kan kam me khaya kan kam don ka jing ya kam ne tain rai kata ba ki don ka lenti ka badai ba bek ka jing start ka jong phi ngai ba ka nam don ka kon rom kan ra